ERD has been repairing complex electronic systems from a variety of manufacturing industries for decades. And because of our success in designing test systems and quick work on complex problems, ERD is now a trusted repair resource for a number of semiconductor facilities. A recent case for this is on an MKS Exhaust Throttle Valve used in many semiconductor tools. These MKS valves come in many versions, each with different speeds and mechanical dimensions. The 253B exhaust throttle valve regulates the gas levels in a processing system. Its flapper is positioned to modulate the gas flow, thereby controlling the internal pressure. The 253 has a patented nonlinear actuator placed between the flapper shaft and the motor drive shaft in order to generate a linear valve transfer characteristic and provide smooth linear pressure control. This valve came to ERD with worn-out mechanics, which we replaced with new parts. We also developed a procedure to align and fully test these valves prior to returning them to service. As shown in the video, we can open and close the valve at any level, making it ready for use. At ERD, we take on new challenges every day as we keep the world running one repair at a time.